Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tosin Lucy. Tosin Lucy is my real name. It's actually spelled with a Y, but it's a bit dry, do you know what I mean? So make it a bit spicy. I was born in the UK, but I am Nigerian and Togolese. I don't know much about my Togolese side, so I'll just say I'm a Niger babe. I'm a Niger anime. My Yoruba is in the trash, currently taking lessons. By the end of the year, I will be able, well, God willing, I'll be able to do a whole vlog in Yoruba. I know Moji's gonna see this, my tutor, and hold me accountable. Hi Moji. Expect everything travel, so like travel reviews, tips, tricks, recommendations, itineraries. There will be some self-care sprinkled up in there. Yeah, it's my channel. Currently in Cyprus on a girls trip. My girls are in the background. Hi girls.
Hey girl.
A lot of people ask me how I got into traveling. When I was younger, I traveled a lot with my parents and my brothers. I have 3 brothers. We used to travel a lot as a family. So we used to go to France all the time on the Le Shuttle or the Eurostar. And then we ventured out more. So we used to go to America all the time. So Florida, New York. We went to Hong Kong, Thailand. So yeah, I got the traveling bug from my parents, especially my mum. My mum is literally always out of the country. So on Instagram, I told you guys to ask me questions, which I'll be answering in this vlog. So here are the questions. How old am I? I'm grown. Yeah, I'm grown. I'm old enough. Am I single? I'm married to Jesus until my physical husband finds me. Yeah. Do I have kids? I have about 6 godkids. 6. But no, I do not have any biological children yet. Favorite country to visit? That is a hard one. I want to say Ghana. But I know everyone's going to be upset. I like traveling around Asia and Africa, but Asia. So like Malaysia was really nice, Thailand, Vietnam. I just like traveling. Anywhere hot with good food, I'm there. Where am I going to next? My next booked flight is South Africa. Yeah, South Africa. I'm not saying when, but this year I'll be going to South Africa. Why am I so fine? Thank you. You love my content? Thank you guys. Solo travel or with company? I think I've answered this before. With company. I love traveling with my friends, family, creating memories. It's so fun. Thanks for watching. Once again, welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. You can find me on other social channels at tosinlucy_. It's the same across everything. Yeah, so until we meet again, stay safe traveling.